From the moment you press the starter button, the 2025 Audi S3 sedan announces its presence with a spine-tingling growl and a cockpit that feels both fiercely sporty and supremely refined. Slip into the heavily bolstered sport seats, and you're cocooned in premium leather and Alcantara with S-model stitching, immediately sensing that every detail has been engineered for exhilaration. The driver-focused layout, with its flat-bottomed multifunction steering wheel and perfectly placed paddle shifters, invites you to unleash the S3's potential, whether you're tackling your morning commute or carving through backroads at sunset. Under the hood lies a potent 2.0-liter TFSI turbocharged four-cylinder that pumps out a muscular 306 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, paired with Audi's lightning-fast 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission. The S3 rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just about 4.6 seconds, a figure more commonly associated with exotic supercars than compact luxury sedans. Standard quattro all-wheel drive works in seamless harmony with the adaptive suspension, sending power to the wheels that need it most and keeping the chassis glued to the pavement through corners that would unsettle lesser machines. Dial in your preferred character via Audi Drive Select, and feel the throttle response sharpen, the steering weight firm up, and the exhaust note deepen as you switch from comfort to dynamic. Visually, the S3 sedan takes the A3's sleek silhouette and injects an aggressive dose of S-brand attitude. The signature single-frame grille now wears a honeycomb mesh pattern framed by matte aluminum accents, while larger air intakes flank the bumper, hinting at the performance hidden within. Matrix-designed LED headlights cut through dusk and dawn with surgical precision, and the sharp body creases along the flanks lend a sense of forward motion even when stationary. At the rear, a subtle trunk lip spoiler and twin-oval exhaust outlets underscore its athletic prowess, and 19-inch 5-arm rotor-style wheels, available in gloss black or brushed titanium finishes, fill the arches perfectly, giving the S3 a planted stance ready to pounce. Step inside, and the interior design reinforces the S3's blend of luxury and motorsport pedigree. A vividly detailed 12.3-inch Audi virtual cockpit display replaces traditional gauges, allowing you to toggle between performance telemetry, navigation, or classic speedometer layout with a flick of the wheel. The 10.1-inch MMI touch display floats atop the dash, delivering haptic feedback and crisp graphics for media, car settings, and smartphone integration. Brushed aluminum inlays and optional carbon fiber trim add visual flair, while the available Alcantara headliner and stainless steel pedals remind you that this is no ordinary compact sedan, it's a precision tool for driving enthusiasts. Despite its high-octane capabilities, the S3 still manages respectable fuel efficiency thanks to its direct injection technology and start-stop system. Expect EPA ratings in the neighborhood of 22 mpg city, 30 mpg highway, and a combined 25 mpg, figures that let you enjoy the S3's dynamic spirit without frequent detours to the pump. Over long trips, the suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, works unobtrusively to reduce fatigue, making this sedan just as comfortable on an interstate blitz as it is on a winding mountain pass. Every aspect of the 2025 Audi S3 sedan feels meticulously calibrated to deliver thrills without compromise, a refined daily driver by day and a pocket rocket by night. If you crave a luxury sedan that refuses to play it safe, this might be the perfect prescription. Book by ChatGPT.